I think it's time to test some science! Jude the Little Scientist sat in the bath. The water was smooth and still. He poured in a squirt of bubble soap. Squeeze! Then he splashed the water as fast as he could. Splash, splash, splash! Tiny bubbles appeared. He splashed again. Then bigger bubbles. Then bigger ones still. Jude stared in amazement as the bubbles rose higher. Soon, a giant foamy mountain was rising in the bath. Jude's eyes went wide. Wow! He touched the bubbles gently. Where did they come from? Jude smiled. The soap traps tiny bits of air in the water. He wrote in his notebook, soap plus water plus air equals bubbles. Jude grinned. Science can happen anywhere, even in the bath. What do you think Jude will test next? Thanks for watching with Swishy Whispers. Join us again soon for more fun short stories and Little Explorer episodes.